Hello everyone, myself Mahek Gandhi. During my 3-month internship at Unified Mentor as a full-stack web development intern, I have worked on 4 projects that gave me hands-on experiences in both front-end and back-end development. I have developed a recipe book, a responsive app for managing the recipes. Second one is interactive resume, which is a dynamic resume builder. The third one is weather app, which I have been integrated the real-time data for the API, so it can show the real-time data. The last one is an operation scheduler, a complex scheduling tool with backend integrations. So these are my top projects which I have been done in these 3 months. So these projects help me strengthen my skills in React Hook, state management and API handling and a responsive design. I also gained a experience using I have to use a Git and agile methodologies. This internship was an incredible learning journey that boosted my confidence and passion for the web development. I am thankful for the opportunity and excited to apply these skills in future projects. Thank you for listening.